Go.
Is it going? Okay.
Yes.
So,
loud.
This is the Hopkins driveway, and follow me out here. You can see how much we've done so far, and I'm going to have the cameraman just keep coming.
Camera woman.
And we shoveled almost all the driveway, and yeah, just keep coming up on me here and get a shot of the driveway. Are you getting the driveway as well? And turn around and bring it down lower, and we can see here quite a bit of snow. It is about,
How about over here? How about right here?
let me see, it's about, I don't know, a little more than a foot of snow, but I can't get it all the way down, so it's probably, let me see, it's probably 16 inches of snow there. So it's getting kind of deep, but we're digging it out. We're surviving. Got to send rescuers.
Blizzard of 2009.
There was a blizzard here, blizzard of 2009 in Lawrence, but we're still alive. If you don't hear from us in the next 24 hours, send food and help. The helicopter. Bye.